Set up your iCloud mail in Outlook, but emails just aren't syncing between the two. This syncing issue can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to keep everything unified across the devices. But here's the thing, once you identify what's causing the disconnect, getting iCloud and Outlook to sync properly is totally doable. In this video, I'll guide you through the most effective troubleshooting steps to fix the iCloud mail syncing issues with Outlook, so your emails flow seamlessly between the two platforms. And if you need more assistance, our technical expert team is standing by at the numbers on the screen. Let's get started now. Method 1. Check the basic requirements. Make sure your device operating system is up to date. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable and fast network connection. See if your problem is resolved and subscribe to our channel. But if the issue is not gone yet, then follow the next solution. Method 2. Add the iCloud mail on Outlook correctly. Open the Outlook application on your device and then click on the File tab. From the options in the left side panel, make sure to choose the Info option. Now, click on the Add Account option. On the Open box, you need to enter your iCloud mail and then click on the Connect button. On the next field, you need to enter your account's correct password and then select OK option. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help-emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.